Hello everyone, welcome to the platform of UPSC Guide. I am Akshay Kadam. I have 10 years of experience to teach UPSC students on a paper of essay and ethics. So are you anxious about how to deal this year's UPSC's ethics paper for Mains 2025? Then I have a one-stop and specially designed solution for you. So on the platform of UPSC Guide, I am bringing for you the ethics crash course that will be starting on 5th June and 9th June. So in this specially designed ethics crash course, what will be our focus area and what will be the course plan that I will be discussing with you. So guys, this UPSC Ethics crash course for Mains 2025, as you know, if you want interview call, then scoring 140, 150 in ethics paper is very important, and same is the case with the essay paper. And even essay paper are quite highly philosophical in nature. So having a good command over ethics paper also helps you with the essay paper. And so for this Mains 2025, I have this 20 lecture series ethics crash course. And in this 20 lecture series ethics crash course, we will be focusing in first 12 lectures. Okay, every day there will be 2.5 hours lectures, and in these lectures, first 12 lectures, we will be focusing on proper conceptual understanding of ethics syllabus topics. And then after these 12 lecture sessions, okay, I will be discussing with you in 3 sessions, okay, question answer writing of ethics papers. And after 3 lectures of question answer writing, we will have 3 extra lectures on case study discussions exclusively. In these 3 lectures, I will discuss with you, okay, 15 plus case studies with their model answers. And followed by that, this crash course, we will have 2 case study discussions, 2 test paper discussions. And in these 2 test papers that you will answer, they will be evaluated not by some student who is just preparing for last 3-4 years, who has given just 2 interviews, 3 interviews or so on. These 2 papers will be personally evaluated by me, and we will have one-on-one discussion where I will give you, okay, feedback on your paper. So this will be, okay, the basic lecture plan of this ethics crash course that we are starting. So in this crash course, guys, as I told you, we will have complete revision of ethics syllabus topics, all important topics, and also there are a lot of important questions that you should know the topics, because last year, if you have seen the ethics paper, the way they are changing the trend of ethics paper, lot of the questions are not dealt with value system or personal ethics or so on. Most of the questions are on applied orientation. Okay, for example, there were questions on AI and ethics, biotech and ethics, and so on. And so I will be having, or in my classes, I will be discussing, okay, such a important topics. For example, use of pager bombs by Israel is a very hot topic on which ethics might ask question. In ethics paper, they might ask question. So for example, they might ask question, okay, is it ethical to use pager bombs, or is it ethical to weaponize objects used by civilians in the warfare? So such a topics, important topics, and all syllabus important terms and topics that we will discuss. And in this discussion, guys, my exclusive focus will be on ethical terminologies. And also, along with getting conceptual understanding of ethical terminologies, I will try to give you with lot of administrative examples a proper understanding of how to use these ethical terminologies in solving, okay, administrative problems, or in solving or applying them to the administrative scenarios. And in this course, guys, you will also be getting my special notes. So me and my wife Madhulika Kadam, she is an IRS officer, 190 rank in UPSC. Okay, we have written one ethics books. So our ethics comprehensive ethics notes I will also be sharing with you. So this video sessions and those notes will be your one-stop solution for this to deal with this mains ethics paper. Then 12 lectures we will be focusing on this conceptual understanding of ethics paper and also applied understanding. Followed after this, we will have a question answer writing practice session. So as I told you, 3 sessions, 3 lectures, okay, we will be discussing lot of question and answers where I will be mentoring you about how to introduce question, okay, how to frame main body, how to use chart, how to use write answers in pointer format, how to conclude, okay, and how to interpret different suffixes in ethics paper. So you will get a proper understanding to deal with section A questions of the ethics paper. Followed by this, we will have 3 sessions, 3 lectures where we will be having case study, answer writing, discussion. In most of the coaching institutes, guys, in ethics paper, they only focus on theory part. But when it comes to case study part, most of them, okay, just finish that part in 1 lecture and hardly discuss 2 or 3 case studies. But here, even in our ethics crash course, we will be having, okay, we will be discussing more than 15, 20 case studies. I will try to make sure more and more case studies we finish, but more than 15 case studies will be discussed with model answer, model answer. Okay, if I answer these case studies, how I will frame them. And in that understanding, guys, in case study, my focus will be, okay, to teach you how to answer case studies using all important theoretical concepts from ethics paper, how to use different thinkers' ideas and apply them to this case study scenarios. After that, there will be 2 comprehensive ethics paper tests. These test papers, guys, I will be making them, preparing those 2 test paper based on most important topics that I feel UPSC might ask based on my reading of the newspaper, etc. Such a question on pager bombs and so on. And once you write answers to these 2 tests, they will be evaluated, as I told you, personally by me. And not only there will be personal evaluation, okay, not only you will get the evaluated papers, but we will have one-on-one discussion where if you need, then I will explain and discuss these feedbacks with you, so you will get a proper understanding how to improve your performance in the mains exam. And so as this course that will be starting on 5th of June and 9th of June, okay, so this will be 3 demo lecture of this session will be free, so you can enroll for those lectures, okay, and judge easily. You will be able to judge the quality of my content, okay. So there is no point running behind the easy content, guys. Mains exam is tough nut to crack, and you need, okay, real quality and proper content for the ethics paper, and that I will be giving you in this series. So as I told you, 12 lectures will have a topic discussion, 3 lectures question answer writing of very important ethics questions that I feel UPSC might ask on these lines, and 3 lectures ethics case study discussion. Now this batch will be starting on 5th June and 9th June. Every day there will be 2.5 hour sessions, and this batch will be available to you in online format. And also if you are a student from Pune, then you will also able to join this batch in offline format, for which you will have to join UPSC Guide office, okay, and there where the offline sessions will takes place. So timing will be in the evening 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. We'll be having so up to 8 p.m. there will be daily 2.5 hour batch sessions. So 20 lectures of 2.5 hours, and this will be very comprehensive one-stop solution where other than this course you will not have to study anything for your ethics paper, okay. And this batch is available to you at a very reasonable price. So to join or get more detail, you can join our Telegram channel, or also you can visit, okay, the link given below in the description, where you will get the detailed information about our ethics course, or you can also contact, okay, our UPSC Guide telephone number okay, to enroll, and you will get the other more information if you need or if you have any queries. Okay, so this batch is going to start ethics crash course. Along with that, we have mains answer writing program with personal mentorship. So for mains 2025, okay, if you want a comprehensive solution, then you can also enroll for this batch, mains and answer writing program, and this ethics crash course. Both these plans you can join, and so both together you will not have to worry anything else for this mains 2025 program. And even if you are preparing for 2026, guys, these two solutions are the best solutions, because by the December you should try to get command over essay, ethics and answer writing part. So with this ethics crash course, you will be able to get that command. So when you will give the prelims next year 2026, you will already be in a comfortable position about what is ethics paper and how to write answers to the ethics paper. And you will be done with one major obstacle of the mains paper. So this mains answer writing program, guys, with personal mentorship will be starting on 31st May, 7 June, 14 June and 21st June. But don't wait, okay, till for the next answer writing programs or till UPSC prelim result comes. Okay, there is very less time. So join on 31st May this mains answer writing program and also enroll for the ethics crash course. Okay, so better you start early, you will be in very comfortable position by the mains for the mains 2025. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for listening, and for more information contact the number given below.